So imagine this, you're working as a videographer and you're doing a paid assignment. Now on that assignment, you are going to decide to use your DJI Pocket Osmo, and you're going to use your smartphone as a viewfinder to see the widest shot of your Osmo being elevated into the air on its extension stick and pointing down in the room. So when you go over to your DJI applications, and when you click on DJI Mimo, all of a sudden it just stops working. And you're thinking, well, how can this be? This never has crashed before, or it's never not opened in the past. So you go back into your application, you select DJI Mimo, only for it to not work again. And you're like, but I'm on a paid assignment. I have no time to be messing about. Time is money. So in my case, I went onto the DJI website. Oh, sorry. First of all, what I done was I went back into my DJI, I selected it, and I uninstalled it. Once I uninstalled the app, I went on to DJI's website and I reinstalled the app. Then I came back to try and open it again. So clicked on it, it crashed, didn't open. Okay, I'm like, what is going on? What is going on? Then I thought to myself, hang on, I also have drones that require an Android phone. For example, I've got the DJI Spark. The DJI Spark being one of the best drones that I have ever owned in my lifetime. I don't fly it as much these days, but I know if I need a good backup drone, the Spark's there ready to go and it's going to help save the day for me. But here's the thing, I'm trying to open up DJI. I'm now trying to open up DJI Go in order to fly the Spark. So I click on DJI Go and it doesn't work. What? Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys here are having the same problems as this. You're having these problems. You're trying to fly your drones or you're trying to use your cameras in connection with your phones and it's not working. Guys, I am happy to say to you, I know exactly what has happened. Basically, Google Play is blocking DJI products from working. And this is how Google Play has blocked DJI. Google Play is using a thing called Google Play Protect. Okay? So what is Google Play Protect? Basically, it's a virus scanner. You know, like you get Norton virus scanner or you get a Windows Defender virus scanner. Well, that is exactly what Google Play Protect is. It is a virus scanner that scans your Android phone looking for applications that it deems to be a threat, to be a threat to your Android device. Okay? And sadly for us, it's detecting DJI applications as threats to our Android 12 devices. Therefore, Google Play Protect blocks these applications from opening up on our smartphone. So now we know what's happening. How do we fix it? Guys, I am happy to say that it's very simple to fix this problem so you can get back to flying your drones and back to using your cameras on your smartphones. What you got to do, guys, is you got to go over to Google Play Store, got to open the Play Store. Now in the top right hand corner, you will see your profile icon. So as you can see in the top right hand corner, next to the bell, you have got your profile icon. What you want to do, select that profile icon. Then you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth line down, you will see Play Protect. It's like a shield with an arrow in the middle of it. Click on Play Protect. Once you've clicked on that, guys, you will now see this. Turn it off. Turn off Google Play Protect. Turn off this virus scanner, okay? Once you've turned that off, guys, go back to your DJI applications, okay? Go back, click on them, and hey presto, look at this. Every single application of DJI is back working again. That is absolutely fantastic news. So there you go, guys. You now know what you have to do. You have to go in to your Google Play Store and you need to deactivate Google Play Protect. Once you deactivate that virus scanner, your mobile phone will no longer scan applications and class DJI applications as potential hazards or threats to the safety of your phone or your personal data. Guys, I'm glad that this video has helped you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. All the best.